episode for higher GC News. Bima Ubibia Aqua had the latest hot and qua enamere Bramo. Erunti Sonya subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say over subscribe. The bayan say over click a year subscribe material. Now wabele notification. We answer video for be upload when the first person once ebeka a video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up, now fee. Share my wafufro so now when you be here now and somewhere koso ewo Ghana me mohano afi ye share a year somewhere abeto ye pono so yiti a year sam komu ya ba betu ya sa report mama yiti. Now that we remove the EC channel, now we are moving on to the Chief Justice. A time may come that we may even go to Parliament and remove the Speaker of Parliament. Because you may have the right, you may have the people, and the condition will be conducive for you to do so. So I say, no, whatever we are doing, it will serve as a precedent. So I say, send the yaka say, Shanata say, me kata wa the same thing also be baba. Who remove no? Also I say, oh, the time you are removing the Chief Justice to 2025, how do you go about it? So I say, no, your president. But okay. I think that it's good for our constitution. Let's try everything and see what works, and then we move forward. Okay. Well, and also it's dangerous because already people have also suggested CNG James and so free. And if we see, yes, I start you. And you do James and so. The Jamaican one over to know. A Chief Justice, yes. And oh, as I'm going no establishing prima facie case against her. But as if the person is not on your side, how can you remove the EC? So if this person is gone, you bring your own person. Then you can also go as remove this person. Another person will go. You cannot go. I get it. Remove the area grand scheme. It must start from one and start number two. Not trickle down. Imagine a minute. Imagine a me. No, that's what I do. Based on experience. Jude, also your views on this. Say the brass or cannot see at the end of but no agenda. But he's saying, at the core of what he's saying, a politics there, but a young Sumaya democracy because it is testing us. And it's our game, Papa. I never want me to change your constitution to improve it. But I had been born into a deadly. Make me feel politics. No, I mean, there are so many things that. Aside from legal, because we are also in the political arena, I don't want to go down there. But say, Kaya, even your president, His Excellency, before elections, made a comment to the effect said to clean the judicial system, you need a new Chief Justice to be able to do that. At the time, no, can't answer no. Now, Chief Justice, we're not only a Chief Justice. It was just an interview, normal conversation. But that's beside the point. But me no mean per se, measure only too much because me I'm just hoping say, and I am assuming say, obeying the petition and Kasaba. We are following the processes. But the main kind of say, even the processes as it is now is very shallow. Because so kind of crowd that we do, your friend is saying 14610 and the crowd might be dangerous. Okay, but extremely dangerous. It's the same. 14610. I say where a petition has been referred to a committee under this article, the president may in the case of the Chief Justice acting in accordance with the advice of the Council of State by warrant signed by him. Suspend the Chief Justice. In the suspending Chief Justice. In the case of any other justice of the Supreme Court or of a chairman of a regional tribunal acting in accordance with the advice of the Judicial Council, suspend that justice or that chairman of the because look at it. Yeah, unlike America for Supreme Court justices, Supreme Court justices, they have an age limit. And it's the president crying and not going to say, justice to come free war. Your procedures here in constitution, and man, the client so bit minute not to suspension be, and I said, I said 2 years, 3 years near the you're suspended. In your suspended,
the senior most person after activity.
They say who is the senior most after just talk about who is the senior most?
I think it's a member.
Because there's don't change it. And Kaona na koye senior most. If I'm
not mistaken. But in that case,
Bafuboni is usually say ask one share and no money price again.
But look at how dangerous it is. It's meaning my submission is said this whole article from even 144 to you said as I say a constitutional review and also during the election period oral and made serious points in regards to because we're a prophet. Because we're a prophet, Kufo can the same thing. See, yes, say constitutional. Ne Andrew Murabia, you be two chambers. And as suggested, say, in case of Supreme Court Justice Nkrano, say as the president and appointed Supreme Court Justice, my president name appointed, but subject to the approval of the established second chamber of parliament. Among the approval. And the president who the only papa, not the second chamber na approval. The person will not be
doesn't get the job.
And only my checks and balances now anymore because as it stands now, Mr. said, father said the media opinion came. Let's say a grand agenda. I said the petitioners they call my banner. Your friend is saying, home call for because this is not the first time a petition has been brought for the removal of the Chief Justice. Say, in this Fourth Republic, from Rawlings time to date, every time the Supreme Court Chief Justice, there has been a petition for the removal of a Chief Justice. George in the Wood, President Mills, several. And President Mills was a constitutional law person. He was not about to, get involved in these things. But they say I could do maybe a petition about President Nasu. This is not the first time I petition about. I mean, even under President Akufo Addo, this same Chief Justice here, in your opinion, I respect to the professor, I had a petition for the removal of this but because the president and appointed Chief Justice, or book required before primary fashion case. But see, consider Sunday way as on mine. What the wash a year already is here 14610. It's very dangerous.
Yeah.
But then I'm here, President. I'm not even seeking for your removal. I just want you
to be suspended. What do you continue?
That makes me pushy. Many be true. If that is the case, I'm not saying that is the case that is going on. In my opinion, the way
okay, so how to compare US and US the entities? US can President Trump remove the Supreme Court?
Absolutely not. And as a matter of fact, one thing that is funny, which is also a current debate, also even the term of the Supreme Court justices in America, only term limit. The only thing that is stated in American's constitution, I think it's Article 3, says Section 1, 2 more, baby. It can be about idea here, so it's why Supreme Court justice. America, good behavior. In result, it's so 100.
You can't advance the amount age limit. You must be of sound mind, a certain behavior.
But
America, they'll be the
but more mind, so more bits now. For the lifetime, obedient me in this. Say, if you listen, or 10 limits, 8 years, and I said 10 years, I said 18 years, or that man idea on name Kofobi, because after that, or retire, he has to exist. Oh, because most of the congressmen and senators are almost free to America. Most of them become lobbyists.
Yes.
It's the same issue case, and they apply to Supreme Court justices. If you don't give them the unlimited, so when you saw a term limiter, it be a corporation, when you say the Adachi be no free, so he might be favorable to the person. And I said the corporation. In the America, the process is
America, the Supreme Court judges, some to so too for who are Korean, so who are to
one person or retire. Oh, and almost so it's I did maybe I don't know, so political. Because said president is now appointed Supreme Court justice subject to the approval of Senate and then but when you said for several years, Supreme Court justice need be 80 me a time on say be a 83, 84. Now say be a Trump this week. May you sure says a liberal Supreme Court justice be also. What did 90 crowd on retired or pen said another democratic government.
Okay.
Then a more president appointed replacement. It just happened. The first black female Supreme Court justice in America as a you don't notice no on your ibia or hey by the time no eba besona yen say no ni so wanyini one hair no akuwu akunya so and or retire say by
the bet na for bi no ye liberal
also been there 40 years.
It's Jude. I didn't see America how they more judges are. Omu liberal. Wouldn't him say well you liberal, we or you conservative. Any problem? I didn't Ghana and Kwade. You level your judges and say where would you or your MPP kakra? Where do you NDC kakra? No, your problem my. But Momo yes will be a conservative. Judge be a liberal. Omu you okay with it? I didn't see.
Only you can't competence assembly. You can't fight Ghana. Then example before so we be rise. The other be true Supreme Court justice. It is assumed, and I say it is implied, that or you're competent in the judicial aspect.
Yes.
As in Chief Justice, as in competence in administrative, you bet me a question. The tenant said, yes, we'll be my conservative, will be a liberal. But at the end, it is assumed that before said, will be a true level. Now, what establish a track record be said, no, it's not about inducement. Will be inducement, and but it's the letter of the law or the edgement. The spirit back in the ideology of conservatism. And no, there is nothing wrong with it. We can be a conservative, but still. Exactly. There are several times that. Your friend is saying President Neil Liberal, no appointed liberal judge and as a justice, they ruled against them. Trump, they be actually several times. On one Justice Kavanaugh and a lady or they ruled against him in several instances. But also I said, they are not Ghana, and I say executive authority, no. Very stronger.
Yeah, but still executive near strong crack. Obia nominating the will be Onimumrano. Is there a case I had to be nominating for Ghana Mudomunimrana?
That's my real
because so far I'm at Justice Tanko, Justice Ato, Justice that about for years was one of the authorities who say there are people who have worked on the soils of Ghana who would shake tables.
But also Ghana, I think
and because you to me from the bar onto the bench in India. You asked me to me appointing from the bar onto the bench.
Supreme Court justice, you don't even have to be a lawyer.
In the US?
Yes. Technically, because the Constitution does not say anything about it, but the Convention is said, apart from in the 1800s now, and I said, only a couple of people have not been lawyers. The Convention is said people have gone through the mill. Amongst lower courts, the Drew Appeals Courts, that is the Convention, but it's not a requirement in the Constitution.
Okay.
Send me to where you don't even have to be born in the US. Send me to what's to say. Then me Trump campaign will really. Maybe appoint me as a Supreme Court. I don't have to have any experience. I don't have to have been a judge. And I say yes, sir. But checks and balances. I want to make checks and balances in the edge. Said before, so with me a Supreme Court justice be Edino. It is not an easy process to say Article 146 very, very short. First of all, before say with me Supreme Court justice be everyone. Is to say they have to open so president. If you Someone has to bring articles of impeachment. So a private citizen, crown award accusation be Anas Aremeyaw. A member of the House of Representatives has to sponsor it.
Okay. So what is straight? Because
I haven't seen Levia. Now, Nippon cry and panel almost said determines it may Supreme Court justice. In this case, everyone. Nipah 5. Are we serious as a country? Nipah 5. And they be a whole head of a branch of government. Everyone. And my president no quite so say in your primary facial case, near established committee. Say King or power to me suspended. Say case in maybe 2 years I are suspended. It is very wrong. In the US, I was said House of Representatives. House of Representatives, depending on demarcations near at this time, I'm over 435 votes a visa. A honor, even before the House of Representatives, I have to go to the Judicial Committee of the House. Hearings. And Sana said, Omono Ejitu, no vote also. Said this is to the level said I was said courthouse now. No, I must submit it to house now. A courthouse this one, it can take several months. They will debate it. But at the house, you just need a simple majority. Say they are 50% plus one. And some debating we to swabber. Say if it passes by 50% plus one, then you are impeached. Then no just here you from. Then it has to go to the Senate for a trial.
Impeachment trial, proper trial, so that makes maybe you are not.
And at that place, you need to test. It's the Senate, now 100 senators. I was saying 67. And the top about in the case of American history, no Supreme Court justice has ever been removed. They have tried.
So your constitution is faulty.
They're very
justice.
Because at this point, to say Chief Justice and relief be because of a J2 case. They say that they have to establish prima facie case. And they say Council of State for now. If I'm not scared to say they say I don't think it's a framework of your constitution. Council of State, they're very political. You have the Council of State, president not appointed almost 45% of it. 55% is not kind of so.
Political battle. Very political.
Exactly. So in this situation, according to said, young fan say India president notice any other party said the New so or you're not going to say obey you everyone. The path has been cleared. And no one said to say yes, no prima facie case. On the crowd go fed across say the petition before the actual committee now. But
you
constitutional review committees, we really need to pay attention to this because following this issue, to be honest, so me na me president, me Kwame Judah Metihui, now my just me you were free one. Constitution I'm a simple way of doing it because at the end of the day, you said that all proceedings has to be in camera, and it's all the response never. Name Council of State, and still it may determine say there is a case, and I said there is no case. It is a minute determines that there is a case. 5 now and pardon what would you mention? And I think it was said you review. Let's say even say a court judicial committee of parliament. Not parliament eto swaba and I said because it shouldn't be this easy to remove the head of a branch of government. It is scary. It is a very, very scary thing. Ghana, I think it's 77, so Justice Sammy, okay. SMC4, uniform. But apart from that, we haven't really had the removal of a Supreme Court. But this is the situation. I said, and never be a person within the past 4 years. This current government, if he said, unanimous FCU so it's the president said that I mean you is he so officially said our agenda be that's so clear or follow procedure again or get the right thing, but the right thing is very shallow. The constitution is very, 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 very shallow. It shouldn't be this easy to remove a Supreme Court justice. I don't know how this is going to turn out. But if said, Mahamadu Bawumia said, Justice talking about Kweku Annan. That is the end. I mean, that basically from Nehemiah Kano, that is pretty much what it is.
Wow.
That's the USI. Nipa 435. American Ato Swaba. If we are Nipa 67 now, there is a whole trial. And you say there is a trial. A bit man to keep months and some of 1804. And then the last time Justice Chase in America at the House level, but the court said it won the trial. The
only Kumake my was a dangerous, but the Wakadia Wakan and I say, Samahama Pessi, you copy because constitution easy.
I feel Ocean Constitution now. Constitution only a judge. That 1992 Constitution only a judge. The people wanted whatever you wanted and wanted it to be done. Because on Pesa, Obama Chief Justice, no better. No, Odobiaba, no, Accra, only the Russian case in I don't know. And you know, most of our problem is that the Constitution was established to ensure stability. So that one president will ensure that whatever he wants, he gets it. No Pebia Unya. No Pebia Unya. So I say, and for this long, we have gotten that stability. It's about time that we start amending and reviewing some of this so that we can have the institution to have teeth to bite. So I say, because I mean, if the Council of State, President will appoint 45%. Almost somebody tell me
exactly. Article 14610. Council, I don't know how do I get for so. Said the president can suspend the CJ. So near Prama Fasi case no cry. No 14610A. No say in the case of the Chief Justice acting in accordance with the advice of the Council of State by a warrant signed by the president, he can suspend the Chief Justice.
Yes, but if you are suspending, I also suspending. If you are suspending,
I'm suspending, but obey
and you know, the process no procedure no.
Because you are cafe, say I'm say you perceive and
Constitution now. We have to look at the Constitution in a context. We were coming from a military regime, and before then, you have had already 3 constitutions and So, and the time that people wanted JJ out for us to have our democracy, whatever he wants, they wanted it to be done. Such as I was your democracy, and military have had a better hands in it.
Yeah.
And that time, that's at 1992 now, we were ushered into this 4th Republican Constitution, in Asante Bediatuo. So we took a lot of history into building this Constitution.
Yeah.
You have to look at the Constitution in a context. And remember, the Constitution more. But as we move forward, gradually, we will get there. Time. By a man, in the US, it's a 4th trial. Ghana 4th trial. That's a MPP 4 war. 189 war parliament war. Now NDC war 83. Try go to say. MPP ni go to MPP ni.
Yeah.
And company, I should say, Onyabo do constitution we.
But me, I know there at least no numbers no increase.
Wouldn't not too much. No Mama Coqueno, wouldn't Madame Pombo, Omino Bayano.
I can't say for wasn't by. It's true.
Of Parliament voting now. One time, Mama Coqueno, behind me said, hey, dear, and I also tell people who position. I don't
exactly.
Omu yes, I could not come at you. Now, we both work with Jaraka said, Omu impeach Chief Justice. Now, we say, oh, chairman, or party chairman, catch yourself. Mamu Kotu against you. Oh, what to against you. I don't know, we are growing. So we have to give ourselves some time. Because all these things are good. Let's experiment it. Let's proceed with it. As time goes on, we will strengthen our democracy.
But I wouldn't to say they are now near Kuma Jew, they can say they are not paying too much power, especially Article 14610. Because Council of State, said they do Council of State, I buy on to Council of State, because Council of State are partisan. You're more like they do Kumase.
Council of State, now, I'm a president. Say, no, people, only now some gay, now often woman for 4 years. So I say, the Council of State in Anno, almost to the full, and from to the man, and you're binded. Can you believe it?
Yeah, and you're binded.
Council of State, the advice of the Council of State, is not binding on the president. The president can decide, I mean, say what foot to. But the president can say, I'm too for semantic. Now I say, and to say, Obiba can say, yes, the president, you're too full, you're too full. Exactly. One another was there. They had the Council of State. The Council of State was, how powered men of God, chief justices, all manner of people, chiefs and all that, they were there. They were advising him, but no open over here. So I said, and so they were there in name, said they were there. But I said, we are court. In the court, I can say, the advice of the Council of State, is not binding on the president. It's not binding.
Yeah.
What to do? I say, my testimony, minimum to about mammy. Say, move a man. It's what to me for some for wedding. Yes, of course. And this I say, send them a panel. So I see way meant to be in your juma. Set in a motion, processes are. If you are no middle for Fraba, no my for 4 years. Get the pan office of my who that know what my until the time, you know, you want to say 4 years, the government has the 4 years to do whatever he wants within the 4 years, That to be the
yeah, but I know you're dangerous. Say, obeying it be, and you're wrong. In the essence to say, because I can say, you're the free CJ, so a electoral commission. So, but into a baby, no, so as a family, the whole Tino, my
I'm told you, the judges at the Supreme Court, so we Chief Justice in the Pefiwa. One said that you be how. Because all of them know they were promoted within certain period of time. So I said, and we Chief Justice in Pefiwa. What you be, but we ain't now. Tell me what I said, and that is what we should have at the back of our MPP.
Hello, Council. I'm going to Ahumano. Over fire, bra.
Yes.
Over fire, bra. I'm to Ahumano said they were on to baby. And see also where we are getting to. You could not upon say the message of the about see if you are at the end of a grand agenda, said the lawyer Bankai. This Chief Justice issue is a grandstand. It's just a ploy to remove the EC boss. Target not say EC boss, no. Because in the case of EC, Electoral Commission boss, no. So when you Chief Justice now, Because the Chief Justice is the one to establish a prima facie case against the Electoral Commission boss. Into most active EC boss, no, so say the Jude can, man suspension crime or then you can get somebody else to establish a prima facie case against the Electoral Commissioner and remove the Electoral Commissioner so that you can get the you see, in the case of the EC, it is the CJ who will decide a prima facie case against it. So they want the CJ to be certainly out so that a petition on J Mensa can be sent, so that the new CJ can establish a prima facie case and then they can remove the Electoral Commissioner. Because who is to establish the prima facie case against the CJ? A president, no, with help from the Council of State, they should claim it. I see the road is clear. NDC agenda, Omodinam Enonom. Elder say, I say, trust me, the President Mahama has also share Adiana. I say there's an agenda bit to say Trump, you know, only also who say the Trump be and President Mahama, so you know that's it's just to pave the way to serve another term, bitter and society, because we are heading towards the constitutional amendment. And when possible there.
Not there. It doesn't have anything to do with the CJ.
Okay.
It's a known President Mahama Peso, yeah. The current MP numbers are very, very easy.
Okay.
It doesn't have anything to do with the Chief Justice. It's more sensible, say, there's a grand agenda, say, push your cases be through, and I say, EC boss, in flow. Nipa now will determine prima facie case now. And yes, son. I mean, these are all things, but what I keep saying is that it is wrong. Our constitution is shallow, and we Ghanaians,
Yo, it for when a reporter abato yapono make say so when you subscribe to channel idea bomodi say over subscribe. Now while like video no give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na we be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memo hanum. Also betimi otchere wadwen afa eye some we nyina ho e wo comment box no mo beti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.